Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. But anyways, I do think this is the end of a wave 3 on the pound yen, and I think that we are very likely now in a corrective wave 4, which will probably go down to at least a 50% Fibonacci retracement for it before it makes another attempt on the uptrend for the wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think the ending right here is the bottom of a wave A. I think we're currently in a wave B, which I'm really not convinced is over yet, and I think eventually it's going to go down probably at least to the 178.29 area, maybe even further, to finish off an ABC of what I think is a wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is very clearly the bottom of a wave A. I think this is an ABC of wave B, which I still think is more likely going to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, especially with this little drop-based drop zone right here. I think this is going to continue up probably to about the 123 or the 138 to finish off the wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we are going down right now, but I am looking at all moves to the downside as nothing more than a correction to the last wave up. Just like this move down right here was only a correction to this, and this move down was only a correction to this. I'm looking at this move down as possibly only a correction to the last wave up. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. I'm looking at this move down as very likely only a correction to this last move up. If it goes down and breaks this low right here, then fine, I'll definitely start looking for shorts. But until that happens, I'm actually patiently waiting for a 3-wave pullback to a Fibonacci retracement level, which could be any one of them, for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I'm looking for 3 waves down. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.